Are we finished with our meal now? All done. All done. Yeah? Because you said you're just going to swipe it off the table? Really? What do you think? Do you have a good breakfast?
Yeah.
Do you have a good breakfast? You had egg yolks. An egg yolk, and some Cheerios, and some cheese, and some yogurt. Oh, for me? Oh, for you. What? Milk? What do you think?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nah.
Nah. Good job. All done. All done. More? Don't feed it to Kelly. What do you see? Oh, right to the floor. It's a good thing we have a dog to clean up after you. Are you cleaning your pants off? Are they dirty? I love you, Sophie Bug. Good morning. What's that? What? Outside? Go for a walk. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.